Looks like one of the last of the old schools that's going to be torn down. It is definitely a shame because I think these types of schools are a lot safer than those schools that are all inside. Because the classrooms of these type of schools, as soon as you walk out of the classroom, you're outside, out, you know, anywhere you can run if there's a shooter. I'm gonna walk around the side over here. And it actually does have old fixtures. Those old shaded fluorescent light fixtures are in this school. There's probably no way of me getting a hold of them. Right there, Gold Coast Community School. Trespassing sign, construction area. I think we can enter over here. Maybe get an idea of what's going on the other side in the back area. The gate's open. Really not supposed to be trespassing, but we're gonna walk over here. Lights are still on in the hallways. Yeah, it's definitely going to be torn down. It's a shame. That's the cafeteria right here. I was in it at one time back when I was actually going in between middle to high school. I had to attend here before I started high school classrooms. Yeah, they're already started, it looks like. Yep, they're tearing it down. I see a demolition going on over there. Wow. Oh, they tore out the whole other buildings already too. The front building's only left. What a shame. More over there. Can't really see through this. Yep. That was probably the library. I don't think I was ever in that part. But what a shame. Complete shame. That must be a newer part of the school that they're leaving. I guess might have been buildings around here. There's air conditioner units. That's history gone right here. Everything's got to be all new and fancy and everything like that. They're turning all the schools into prisons because they're taking out all these old schools that were built in the late 1950s, early 60s. Might be able to see through these windows, the shaded lights. Yep, they're there and they're hanging. I can see them. They're already torn apart too. Yep, they're taking them down. Look at that. The balusts are coming out of them. What a shame. I do have a video that is on YouTube of the school, the inside of the cafeteria. I'll be posting that, a part of this video here, but I can't believe they're tearing this down. Across the street there used to be a shopping mall. Now it's a shopping plaza. And the shopping mall used to be right in the middle of the property. Now the shopping plaza is the back of the plaza facing the school. This area has changed pretty much completely while the school was up. But it's gonna change too, and that sucks. Gold Coast Community School. There's the last look of the buildings before they tear it down. Thanks for watching. In the parking lot in the back of the shopping center. They still got the power on for some reason in that area. That's the United States for you. You can't keep something old. You gotta always replace it. Waste. Complete waste.
Gold Coast School of Choice in West Palm Beach is committed to providing a world-class education to empower each student to reach his or her highest potential. The school features students in the 6th through 10th grades. The mission of this school is to provide each student with hope. HOPE stands for Harmony, Opportunities, Principles, and Education. A top-notch education thanks to top-notch teachers.
When they teach you, it's like hands-on. They care about you, they want you to succeed, and they want you to go somewhere in life. Like, they want you to be somebody. They do not give up on you.
And these teachers are able to educate.
You just have to do the same thing you saw me, replication.
In classes with fewer students than you would see in other schools. Anyone in Palm Beach County can attend this school if they've had to repeat a grade. Thanks to the smaller class sizes, teaching tools like iPads, and a caring staff, the students are able to catch up on credits and get promoted to their correct grade. It's all about preparing these young men and women with the necessary future employability and academic skills. And it's all done in a nurturing environment.
I just love how everyone is like so welcomed at this school, and everyone is just so hi, like how are you, where'd you come from, like they just want to get to know you, and everyone's just so caring and loving.
There's a lot to love at Gold Coast School of Choice in West Palm Beach. The school district of Palm Beach County, your best choice.